Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and the best part is that I use all drugstore products. So yeah guys, I'm so excited to show you guys this makeup tutorial. It's really simple, but then I really glam at the same time. It's not even simple, huh? It's pretty glam. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using all drugstore products, then please keep on watching. For eyeshadow, I am going to be using this little palette right here. This one is by Wet n Wild. I'm going to begin by taking this really nice transition shade. Well, I'm just going to be applying it right on the crease of my eyes, like so. So we're just going to be blending the eyeshadow. Then I'm just going to be taking this really nice like brownish, like orangey shade. So I will be applying this one next. So I'm just going to be applying it right on my crease. I'm blending it out with the other shade that I applied earlier. So we want to make sure it's really nice and blended. Then I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm applying this all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to take this really nice purpley shade right here. And I'm also going to be applying that on my eyelids. Then I'm going back with this shade, and I'm just going to be applying this shade right under my waterline. Then I'm going to take this dark brown right here, and I'm also going to be applying that under my waterline. Then I'm going to be taking this NYX black eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying it on my waterline. Then for eyeliner, I am going to be using this liquid eyeliner by NYX, and I'm going to be doing my eyeliner off camera, guys, just because I suck doing eyeliner on camera. So yeah. For eyelashes, I am going to be using this one. This one's are by Kiss, and this one's are called Gala. So they look like this. I am going to be priming my face with the NYX Prime. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. So yeah guys, it's crazy because I'm actually using all drugstore products. And by the way, my baby is right here next to me. Well, not next to me, but she's right there on the bed. Hi, Mama. Hi. But yeah, anyways, then I actually purchased the Superstay foundation by Maybelline, and so far I really like it. It's super full coverage. I was so like shocked when I applied this for the first time. I was like, whoa, this is actually full coverage. concealer, I am going to be using this concealer. This one is by Revolution, and I believe it's new. I barely got it not that long ago, and I purchased it on Ulta because I know they don't have it in stores yet. So I heard a lot of good reviews on this concealer. And by the way, if you guys hear noise, that's my baby making music. So now I am going to be setting my entire face, and I'm going to be setting my concealer with the Airspun translucent powder. I am going to be using this NYX Matte Bronzer, which looks like this. And this one is in the shade Dark Brown, of course. Now I'm just going to remove the powder out of my face. So for blush, I am going to be using the e.l.f. blush palette. It looks like this. I really like these blushes. So I'm just going to be using this one right there. So for highlight, I am going in with the Wen Wild highlighter. This one is called Mengalgo. I don't know how I said it. I don't know if I said it right, but it looks like this. It's really pretty. So by the way, this highlighter was really affordable as well. By the way, I took my baby to the living room with my sister because the little girl was making so much noise. It's crazy. She's growing so fast. I can't believe she's already 6 months, guys. Can you guys believe that? 6 months. Okay guys, so we came to an end. I really liked how this makeup look came out, and it's crazy because I only use drugstore products. So yeah, and by the way, I really like how the foundation looks on my face. Well, I've been liking it. So the other thing that I've been really liking is this little palette right here. This one is the Wen Wild palette, and I believe they have other two palettes that look like this, but I picked this one up because I really like the colors that this palette has. So yeah, they're really pigmented. It's just crazy like how pigmented they are, and I could use these colors like every single day. They're so pretty. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.